Hello everyone. In this video, we will solve a few practice sums related to pie chart or circle graph. Let's do the first sum. A survey was made to find the type of music that a certain group of young people liked in the city. Adjoining pie chart shows the findings of this survey. From this pie chart, answer the following questions. If 20 people liked classical music, how many young people were surveyed? So if you see classical, 10% like classical. 10% like classical, but 10% is 20 people. And surveyed is 100%. 100% is surveyed. So 100% is how many people? When we have such kind of equation or such kind of relation, this question mark how many, so total people is equal to multiplication of these two terms, the diagonally opposite terms. So it would be 20 multiplied by 100 and divided by this. So always remember, when we put in this relation, the question mark is equal to multiplication of these two diagonal terms divided by this remaining third term. And that is going to be equal to 200. So there will be total 200 people were, or total 200 young people were surveyed. Which type of music is liked by the maximum number of people? Now looking here, we know 40% is the highest. So light musical is what maximum people like. So answer of the second one is light music. Third one, if cassette company were to make 1000 CDs, how many of each type would they make? To find that, we have to multiply by the percentage with this 1000. So for light music, it would be 40%. 40% means 40 upon 100. 40% into 1000. 2 zeros gone, 2 zeros gone here. So what we need is 40 into 10, which is 400. So 400 CDs of light music. Similarly, for semi-classical, it is 20%. 20%. That is equal to 200 CDs. Let's do the next one. Draw a pie chart showing the following information. The table shows the colors preferred by a group of people. Now we know we have this frequency chart, but we need to have two more terms. First, we need to find the fraction and then central angle, because central angle is going to provide us information on how do we distribute the pie. To find the fraction, we need to know the total first, because fraction is part upon whole. So total here is 36 people. So for in fraction, we will divide the frequency by 36. So we have got the fractions. Now we will multiply these fractions by 360, which is the complete angle, to get the central angle. So the central angles are 180 degree, 90 degree, 60 degree and 30 degree. Now step 1, draw the circle. Step 2, draw one radius OA, which we'll take as a reference point. And now we will draw 180-degree angle with reference to this OA, and 180 degrees full angle complete. So I'll have to join from here to here. Let me join that. So I've drawn this. So this is my 180-degree angle, which represents the blue color, or the people who prefer blue color. Now I have to draw the next angle, central angle, with reference to this newly drawn radius. So from here I have to draw 90-degree angle. So let me draw that. So I have the second pi, which represents green color. The third one is now 60 degrees, and for that I'm going to use this as the reference. Using protractor I can measure the angle and draw 60 degree with this as reference. Let me draw that. So I have drawn this. So now what I get is different pies for the different colors. So let me write that. There are 3 such people, and that's my pie chart. Let's do the next sum. The number of students in a hostel speaking different languages is given below. Display the data in a pie chart. So we know for pie chart what we need to do is, along with this frequency distribution table, we need to add 2 more columns. One is fraction, and next is the central angle. So for calculating the fractions, we need to calculate the total. And if we see total here, total is 72. And so fraction is part upon whole. Now we will multiply this fraction by 360 to get the central angle. So we got the central angle, and now it is time to draw the circle and the pie graph. So let's draw the circle first. We have drawn the circle as well as the reference radius for the first central angle. The first central angle is 200 degrees. So we will have to measure 200 degrees. Can we measure 200 degrees in a protractor? No. So what we will do is we will measure 160 degrees on the opposite side, and that will give us 200 degrees central angle. So let's do that. So I got this 200 degree angle. Okay, so let's now draw the second angle 60 degrees using this as the reference radius. So we have drawn the next one, which is 60 degrees. We use a different color. Now using this as the reference radius, we'll draw the third central angle. We'll draw on the third angle 35 degrees. And next one we will draw 45. That will give us 45 on this side and 20 remaining on this side. Let's do that. So this one is 45 degrees. And the remaining one is actually 20 degrees. So we got our pie. This one represents Bengali. And that's our pie chart. I am sure you have liked the video. Hit the like button and leave your views in the comment section below. Do watch our other videos on this topic. Subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to get notifications whenever we upload new videos. You may also download the YouTube app at the link provided in the video description. Till we meet again, goodbye.